Sing Off TikTok Part 9. We just skipped all the way to 9 because this one's new.
Yeah, and we were, if you noticed, we had a nice, very large gap in our channel recently,
Bit of a hiatus?
Yes, as some would say. This was actually new when we uploaded the last part we reacted to from this, and we were like ready to do it, and then we disappeared off the face of the earth into the Philippines. If you want to see our travels, go check out our travel vlog channel. We are currently posting our Malaysia vlogs, but we're back in the Philippines. We posted a ton of Philippines vlogs, and we definitely have Indonesia on the bucket list.
It's coming soon.
So if you want to be ready to see our Indonesia vlogs, go subscribe to that channel, turn on the notifications so you can see when we drop those. And you can, while you wait, you can just watch some of the videos we already have up.
Why not? And Part 9, let's see what they're singing up today. If you enjoy, subscribe, like the video. This channel is going to be having some more videos on here. Some Indonesia reactions, some games, geography stuff, so make sure you're ready for some more content.
The content is back.
Let's see the beautiful singing voices and the way they turn very explicit rap songs into nice, beautiful vocals. And now, a message from our sponsor.
Are you interested in editing your videos but you haven't started yet?
I think Wondershare Filmora would be a great software for you to use. It's very popular, very easy to use, and some epic features.
It has tons of effects, filters, and they even have some royalty-free music on there, which is a great upside. We also have some personal favorite functions and features we'd like to show you here. One of their features is the auto reframe feature.
So if you're thinking of taking one of your filmed videos and turning it into a YouTube short or a TikTok, this would be the feature you want to use. The next feature we have is auto beat sync, which is a really cool one for vlogs.
This takes music and it will align the beat and cut properly within the vlog.
Go, 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 go.
Another feature that's great for repurposing vlogs to other contents is the speech to text feature.
Welcome to the mysterious hotel in all of Kuala Lumpur.
And if you want to spice up your videos a little bit, you can try the brand new Vaporwave.
Inspiration starts here. Vaporwave takes inspiration from everything that is vintage. It's the feeling of transporting to the 80s and 90s with a dose of futurism. Vaporwave is retro yet modern, and it's classic yet timeless. Join the challenge by sharing your video with hashtag Create with Wondershare and tag at Wondershare. You could win a $200 creative fund. Find all the creative elements you need to add a Vaporwave touch to your video.
Here we go. Oh, auto-tune.
Albanian remix.
I haven't heard any Albanian music before.
I don't know if it's Albanian is good, but it might be.
I didn't know that was Demi Lovato.
I didn't either, actually. The transitions between the songs.
I'm done.
Oh, that was a quick one.
Wow. They're just flying through them.
They even got the dance moves. Oh, they had a little emoji. Sad girls love money.
Dang, some of these they only do like one line. That's crazy. They sound very good.
Dude. Her voice is so unique. Wait for me. They change up the dance moves.
I just put some eyes on my baby.
I see you looking at my feet.
That was quite the change up inside.
Zoom in. Zoom
Oh,
out.
double Jesse.
Zoom
And they got some zooming up. Oh!
참 예쁘다. 같이 놀래? 예쁜 내가 좋아.
Wait a minute. I think I left my consciousness in our sixth dimension.
But I'm here right now, just sitting in the cloud. Oh, wow, I'm here right now.
Nah, don't and don't another one done for me. Said you died for love, but I never loved you, sorry.
Solo 여거리를 쓸시. Say you die for us, I feel
The harmony is so good.
Impressive as usual.
Very impressive.
Their voices, her voice is so unique to me. Like, it's just like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like kind of raspy and breathy,
And
but
then she's
high.
able to get some power out of there too.
It's
And
like me.
yes, very powerful. Not to mention the fact, I don't know how like their pronunciation was because I don't speak any of the languages, but they did like 6 or 7 different languages in this. That seems like it would be pretty hard.
It's time to learn Albanian.
All right. I was gonna say an Albanian word, but I don't know an Albanian word.
Tirana!
Oh, that's what, yes.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed another Indonesia reaction. If you did, subscribe, like the video, check out the travel channel. Indonesia vlogs will be coming sometime early next year, so be ready.
Oh yeah.
See you later. Bye!